G'day, it's Colin from Worth. And today we've taken our show on the road and we're at Brown Davis Motorsport. And I'm here with Michael Clemente from Michael Clemente Motorsport. G'day, Michael.
How you going, Colin? It's great to have you guys down at the workshop.
Michael, I brought along today our paper towel. Have you seen the Worth blue paper towel before?
Absolutely, it is a great product, 1,000 pieces long, so it helps keep the car so clean, and we're constantly cleaning it. So it's really good to have such a great product, and it's long lasting. We use it so much in the car, so we'll definitely be using it for the future.
And on your race days in your workshops when you're at the racetrack, the pits, we supply it on a rolling trolley here. I'm sure that would be an advantage in the workshop.
Absolutely. The garages are sometimes pretty small, so it can be quite hard to move around the car. So to have something that is really good like this and can really move around the workshop quite easily is a great product, and you see the boys always using it. We're non-stop using it, which is really good.
Just some information for you guys about the paper towel. So it's 3-ply. All right, there is 1,000 sheets, as Michael said. It's 360 metres long, so there's plenty of paper. Now, the consistency of the paper towel is always the same. Where you might buy a bag of mixed rags, where sometimes you get some t-shirt material and some jeans and things, and they're hard to soap up or sop up the oil stains and things like that. So the consistency is fantastic. And it comes in a twin pack when you purchase the roll. So Michael, I mentioned the floor stand it comes with. So as you can see, it's on wheels so you can move it around. It also has a spot to put a rubbish bag, which is really handy. But we also do a wall-mounted rack as well for workshops that want to put it on the wall in one place.
I think we should see this in action.
Absolutely, let's have a go. So Michael, thanks for allowing us to come down and show our customers the fantastic Worth blue paper towel.
No worries, it was awesome to have you and show us what it's all about.
Now, if any of our viewers want to follow you, how do they do that?
We have a Facebook and a website called Michael Clemente Motorsport. We post regularly, so if you want to keep up to date, just give it a like and you'll see everything we're going about.
Well, good luck on the season, Michael. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.